Okay, hi guys. We are here in sunny Solivita. We are at 545 Genoa Drive, and this is my brand new listing.
Look at that pretty front door.
I know, nice glass, letting all that natural light coming in. Okay, so this is the Carnegie floor plan. This one is 2,038 square feet. This one's got an amazing open floor plan. So you have the primary suite kind of hidden over here, separated from all of the other areas to have fun into the house.
I love this like little feature it has going on here too. So you've got the crown molding, and it's almost like a little, like it defines that this is the dining room.
Yes,
you know?
it's very true.
But it's still open.
Yes.
This is beautiful.
So you have
wow,
plantation.
and look at the molding there too.
Yes, plantation shutters. Love, love, love the light here. So nice open living room area, and as soon as you walk in, you can see this amazing view. So should we start out here showing off the view?
Show it off,
Let's
girl.
do it.
Let's do it.
Okay. So
it is a double view.
This is where I'm spending my time.
Yes. So this one has an enclosure here, which is we call the Florida room. So these sliders open, take you out to a Lanai area to enjoy the view, and then you have 490 extra square feet here, which is air conditioned, which is really nice.
Yeah.
So you can kind of enjoy.
So this is actually under air.
Yes. Wow. So you can open all of these doors. You can open all 3 sliders up and have the AC out here as well. Actually, you've got 4 sliders out here. Hey.
That's so exciting.
All right. So and this.
So this is like a double Lanai house.
Yeah, it's great to have both.
And
Yes,
this is tiled?
Absolutely. Yeah, so this is tiled as well.
Wow.
So you have an amazing view. Actually, this screened-in enclosure was all just completely redone just a few years ago.
Wow.
So you have a beautiful pond view, and then you also have the golf course view right here. So you have the best of both worlds. Oversized lot here, lots of entertaining space.
Oh my gosh, and look, that's a turtle.
It is a turtle,
Yeah.
yes. Let's see
And look how big this backyard is. So like even if you wanted to, like literally look how far they are. You could even put a pool in here if you wanted to.
Yeah,
because
you
you've got
could.
even like probably 25 feet of backyard space.
Absolutely.
Wow.
Yeah. So
That's
and
really
all of this
impressive.
is uncovered, but then you have the covered area, which is really nice.
And
so.
actually you don't see this very often. There's fans.
Yeah.
Yes,
On the
Lanai,
bird
yes.
cage.
Yes, and if you like to
What?
barbecue and entertain, lots of barbecue
I don't think I've
spaces
ever
out
seen
here.
that before. So I guess is the electricity going through these things? That's
Yeah,
pretty cool.
Yeah, probably.
Wow.
Yeah, because you actually they have like 4 additional outlets out here, which is really nice too. And so lots of natural light, lots of glass doors that open completely, which is really nice.
Beautiful.
And then big open space. You have crown molding throughout the home. Nice big bar area here, so you can see some additional chairs if you want to. You also have a nice big eat-in kitchen, plantation shutters
This is actually
kind of
a really
throughout.
big space too. Yeah, and they plantation shutters.
All throughout. Love it. Yes.
Yes.
So nice big open kitchen, lots of counter space, lots of cabinet space. You also have the additional lighting underneath, which is really nice.
Oh,
So.
I love this.
Yes, you have your own little bar area in here.
This is nice.
Which is really good,
Oh,
yes.
that's so cute.
I know, so cute. So this could also be like a little coffee bar area underneath that, which is really nice. All of the appliances are new.
Stainless steel
2024 as well.
appliances.
Mhm.
Oh, and this is a nice hood vent too.
Yes, and then you have the additional crown molding up here, which I love. Lots of natural light, and then you have the additional lighting up here. Huge pantry area here, so you have double door pantries. Nice big laundry area, additional storage above. So this one also has one of my favorite things that I wish I would have picked in my house, which is the central vac. So keeps that place, doesn't matter where you are, nice and clean, and all goes out here. So this you can actually close off. This is a whole other area. So this is a really
I
big.
love that
could
they
be a
have
third,
these too.
I know, it could be a 3rd bedroom, lots of
Smart.
natural light in here, but this they have designed. They both work from home, so you have 2 office areas here, which is really nice.
Yeah.
Tons of natural light. You also have the plantation shutters that come through. This could be a 3rd bedroom, could be a living room, dining room space. I mean, you could do game room, anything you
I
want.
have people seen people do barn doors in here, so you can actually close this off and make it into like anything that you want.
The
French
double doors as well.
Yeah.
And then this side, you actually have a guest bedroom here, and then they have their own guest bathroom here. It's a really
Size. Yeah.
really popular floor plan as well.
You got the 8-foot doors as well. Again,
One of my favorite upgrades.
yeah, 5
Good eye,
1/4 baseboards.
Good eye, Christina. Very
Rounded
good eye.
corners.
I love it.
All my favorite
Yes, all
upgrades
of
in
our
the house.
favorites, yes.
I love Carnegie's. Carnegie's are,
I love
and
the Carnegie
operettas.
too.
They're both
It's
really,
actually
really
a really
nice.
popular. The Carnegies are really popular. So really nice flow in this house. It's very open,
it does
lots
have
of natural light. You got the views from all angles, which I love. Then you actually have double doors that lead you to this side of the house, and this is the primary
Can I say
suite.
something?
Sure.
Well, the one thing I love about Carnegie's, I call this because of the French doors, the West Wing.
It is the
Because if you can
West
shut this off,
Wing.
because
Yes.
this side of the house is all yours.
Shut
these
I'm gonna
doors.
steal that. Let's go to the West Wing.
This is the
guys.
West Wing of the house. Follow her.
All right, so nice big primary suite here with an amazing view.
Look at that tray ceiling.
Lots of natural light because you also have the sliders here as well.
Look at the view.
But then for someone who likes to sleep in, you can close all of that noise or all of that sunshine out. And then this one actually has double closets, which is one of my favorite upgrades. So not just hers, but we also has his as well. So
Well, no,
very
it's hers and hers,
organized.
just be honest.
Well, it would be if I lived here.
It'd be like mine and mine.
Actually, additional storage up here as well, which is nice, but she's very organized. I love that. Okay. So on the West Wing, you also have an additional
West Wing.
closet, which is nicely
They
organized as
seem
well.
equal in size.
Yeah.
They
Which
actually-
you normally don't
Yeah, they actually do.
Yeah.
These are two genuine walk-in closets.
Yeah, which is really nice. And so then she actually has a nice little area here, which is her vanity, where she can get ready. You have your own little chair here, the makeup drawer,
Nice.
additional,
Another vanity.
huge mirrors. Crown molding didn't stop in there. It's in,
And
it's
completely
throughout.
separate vanities, so that way you have your own space and his own
Yes.
space.
Oh yeah, you have to have his.
Oh,
own hers.
yeah.
I don't want to brush my teeth near anybody else. I need
thank
that
you.
space by myself. But so then you also have a nice big bathtub.
It's got
We
jets.
talked about bathtubs. This one actually has the jets.
Yeah.
Love it. Yeah, it's such a great upgrade.
This is a beautiful
Nice.
one. And then
Makes
and
you
the
want to come in
tiles
and take
the
a bath.
shower.
And then you have a nice little shower area as well. Okay guys, we have an amazing little treat for you guys. So this is the Reflections magazine. At the first of every month or a couple days before, you will get this at your front door. This kind of goes through what happened last month, what to expect next month, and then also what's going on this month. So it's a fun little tool. It gives you all the good info for Solivita. It also tells you all of the clubs. Kind of like, I always tell everybody, kind of like a caper on a cruise ship. This kind of gives you all the lowdown of what's going on that month, activity-wise. So you open this up, put it on your refrigerator. This is gonna tell you all of your workout classes and then all of the other fun activities going on this month. And then there will be additional things on the bulletin board throughout Solivita, but this is a really fun tool for you guys to have at your doorstep every month. We love it.
And the cool thing about this home, it is move-in ready. The AC is 2025, the roof is 2024, and the water heater is 2023.
Nice.
So all the major things that you need to worry about, you don't need to worry. Just
Yeah.
come on in.
Absolutely.
That's great. All right, let's guess that price.
Yeah. Okay.
So I'll go first. I'm gonna go.
You
first.
go first.
Justin.
The double water view. It's only 2 bedrooms.
2 lanais.
2 and
Both are tiled.
439.
Wow.
Pretty close.
What,
Not
was it actually
bad.
close?
Well, I don't know. I'm gonna say 415.
Okay, so you guys are very close, but it's actually $3.99.
What?
This is a steal. So hold on, you get 2 lanais, both tiled, a water view plus a golf course view.
Yes.
Well, again, if you guys have any questions about this listing or any of our other listings here at solivitaliving.com, just call us on the number below or check out our website at solivitaliving.com, and we would love to help you.
Nice. Perfect.